Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Cse360 presentation of our project. I am Ekula Mariam Mary and my teammate is AEM Ridwan, and our project is about home automation. We were supposed to make a home automated system to detect the human presence, gas leakage, and humidity and temperature. Also, we were instructed to control servo motor, DC motor, relay-based bulb. So in this Proteus project, we have connected our gas sensor in Q4 with the pin number 8 of Arduino to detect the gas leakage, and the PIR sensor to detect the human presence. We have connected it with pin number 9. SI702021 is connected with SCL and HDA pin of Arduino. Here it is controlled with I2C protocol. Pin number 7, we have connected a LED to check our project whether it is working well or not. And in pin number 3, we have connected DC motor. As we know that Arduino sends a 5 volts of signal, and DC motor worked on 12 voltage, so we need a motor shield to control this. In pin number 4, we have used servo motor. In pin number 2, we have used relay based bulb. For the Bluetooth module HC05, we have used we have connected TXRX pin of Arduino with the it, and here it is working as working with the this is controlled by UART protocol, and we have connected 2 serial monitor to check the data of our Bluetooth module.
So, as my teammate said, I'm Ridwan, and I'll talk after Mekola now. And so, in the coding part, we have first of all we have used servo library for controlling the servo motor. We kept our servo motor at pin number 4. So, my servo dot attach servo 4, and we kept all the serial communication with 57 and 600. We kept this serial baud rate for every module. I'll show you later. And here we have used Adafruit library for the SI7021 sensor, which is a temperature and humidity sensor. We use this because we were forbidden to use DHT11 or DHT22, any DHT sensor. We came up with this sensor later. And so here is pin mode 2 output, because we have connected light there. So Arduino will output a voltage for the light. Arduino will output a voltage for the DC motor, and we kept a test test LED light. So this is for that, and we have to input. One is at pin number 9, which is PIR, and one is at pin number 8, which is gas sensor. These are the sensor, and the other sensor is working in I2C, so we don't need to initiate it here. And then later we have collected the digital data of pin number 9 with this integer and with this variable, and the gas data from pin 8. And then we have we got the data from the SCL SDA of the temperature sensor by this, and the humidity sensor. These are the built-in library of Adafruit. We have used it directly. Then we printed the gas and PIR. So the reason we printed this in serial monitor, because the serial monitor then passes this data, these lines of data, to the LabVIEW file. I'll show you later. And then later on, this is all our sensor part. And later on, I have turned my pin number my LED at pin 7 high when my Arduino is receiving data from the LabVIEW with the Bluetooth module. you can see that if serial dot available is greater than 0, this means I have started to getting I'm getting data from the LabVIEW file, and I kept I read the data and kept that character by character in this variable. Then I have added those in the data string. Data is a string, I can show you. uh, Here you can see that string data. Then I have if I get a new line, then I go to my command section. That means my one complete command, I have received one complete command, and then I can show you that why I have kept data 0 a or x, data 1 a or x, and data 2 a or c or x, b or x, c or x. I can show you that, and just give me a minute. Here you can see that this serial virtual terminal is showing the data I am receiving from the GUI. So when all the buttons are on, I am receiving ABC, and you can see that the DC motor is on and the DC motor is rotating. The servo is giving a rotation minus 90 degree, and the bulb is also on, light is on. And if I put just those off, and then you will see that I will receive XXX. So for light, X or A; for DC motor, X or B in the middle; and for servo, it's X or C, so XXX. And this will go off after some time. And for human presence, you can see if I put 1 here in the PIR, it will go red, and if I put 1 here in the gas sensor, it will go red. That's how my project works. And here the temperature is around 33 degrees centigrade. If I increase the temperature, you can see that it will go up. Let's go to 40 degree. So it is close to 40 degree now, and I'll change the humidity now. Humidity is around 60, and I'll go to around 50 now. You can see that the value will change. So I'm showing you the real time data. Now it's towards very close to 50. So this is how my project works. And now if I show you the back end of my LabVIEW, you can see that why it works like this. Here for light, I have sent 1 or x. For DC motor, I have sent b or x. For servo, I have sent c or x, and I have then I have gone to a new line by this, and this all of this goes concatenates together, and goes as a string line to my Arduino file. And my Arduino so in my Arduino code, my Arduino, just if it gets a case A, then in the first index of the string, it digital writes the LED, the light high. It means that the relay goes high, otherwise the relay goes slow, so my bulbs turns on and off. Similarly, the motor and the servo. So this is the way my code works. Thank you everyone, thank you very much.